Hello, Excel family. This is Rudy with Excel.
And today, we're going to show you how to replace the glass on the SG2. Things to note: remember in which orientation you remove components, because it will be helpful when reassembling. To start, from the interior of the window, remove and replace the screw protection with the knob handle. Slightly open the window and remove the screen and clips. Now continue to open the window and remove the protective clip. Now from the exterior, you can open and remove the window like so. To reinstall the window, place the new glass into the grooved hinge. You'll need something like a screwdriver to make sure that the window clips into place. Now from the inside, place those twin arms back into the grooves of the window seal and replace that protective clip as you removed it. Finally, you can replace those screen clips, and lastly, the screen.